Welcome. Today we will see how to build and simulate armature control of an separately excited DC motor. Now let us get the following components from SIMULINK library browser. Go to Simscape. In Simscape, go to Specialist Technology. Go to Fundamental Blocks. Go to Electrical Source. You need two DC voltage source. Add it 2 times. Then you need an ideal switch. Then add the power guide block. Then go to measurement, add one voltage measurement. Then go to elements, and in elements select one resistor. Then add 2 grounds. Then go to machine and add DC machine. Then add step block. Then add gain block. Then bus selector. Then add scope. Finally add subsystem. Now let us rearrange the circuit. Connect the step to the gate of your ideal switch. Then connect 1 to DC source. Change the RLC branch type to R and assign a value of 2000. By using Control R, rotate the DC voltage source. Add the measurement to the bus selector. And remove the signal 1 and 2. Now click apply. Then rotate the gain block using Control R. You need two scope, and this scope needs three inputs. Go to the scope and change the number of inputs from 1 to 3. Now if you try to connect the subsystem to the switch or the subsystem to the motor, it will not connect. The reason is it is not configured. Now let us configure your subsystem. Again go to subsystem, again go to SIMULINK library browser, go to fundamental blocks, go to elements, add connection port 2 times, add resistor 6 times, then add circuit breaker 6 times, and then step. This is your input and this is your output. Rotate it. Now this is our setup. Like this we need 5 more setup. Now let us connect all these blocks. Now let us configure these blocks. Here set the step time as 1, then change the R value as 10, here change the step time as 2, change the R value as 9, here change the R value as 7 and step value as 3, step value 4, resistor value 6, step value 5, resistor value 5, step value 6, resistor value 4. Now we have configured the subsystem. Now let us connect the subsystem to our circuit. Can change the amplitude to 300 and step time to 0.01. Change the DC value to 150. Gain value to 0.4. Finally, you need two graphs. First it connected to armature current, then connected to speed, then connected to speed versus electromagnetic torque. Now we have configured all our blocks. Go to simulation, change the runtime to 6, and then now simulate your circuit. Then go to plot and configure the value. Now you can see that the speed of the motor is successfully varied by using armature control method. These are your graphs. This graph is for input current, armature current versus speed, and this graph is for speed versus electromagnetic torque. Thank you.